Guys, do you want to learn how to create something like this for your Instagram account? In this video, I'm gonna share with you step-by-step tutorial how to create this Instagram puzzle feed within few minutes. Let's begin. What's up, social mafia? Welcome to #1 YouTube channel about social media marketing for businesses. Visual component of your presence on Instagram platform is probably the most crucial one, because Instagram in the end is the visual platform, and in order to stand out among all your competitors, you need to work hard on the visual component of your Instagram account. However, I know how time consuming and energy consuming it can be, so that's why I decided to make this video where I'm going to teach you step by step how to create with Photoshop very professional type of Instagram puzzle feed. If you clicked on this video, you probably already have a business or you're planning to have one, and you're wondering how to leverage social media platform and especially Instagram to benefit your business, generate sales, and increase brand awareness of your brand. I'm gonna create much more content on this topic and on other topics, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button to not miss any of my videos. And guys, for me there is no other way to understand whether this video was useful for you or not if you don't click this like or even dislike button, which I don't recommend to do. So I have kind of your feedback, and because in future I can tailor make more content for you. And let's dive into the tutorial. All right, I have prepared for this tutorial pictures that I downloaded from Pinterest. For the purpose of practicing, you can do this as well. However, in order to make something for yourself, you will need to dedicate some time to creating the raw materials, so later on you can work with it and create this kind of Instagram feed. And I already made a video about 5 top mistakes that brands do on Instagram. You can check it in the description box, but for the sake of practicing, you can go ahead and find images on Pinterest that are related more or less in terms of colors to your brand identity. And let me jump to my computer so I can start sharing the screen with you and show you step by step how I do that. Alright, the first thing we need to do is to calculate our initial canvas size. If you want to make 12 images, 12 posts, then you need to 1080 times 3. That's gonna be our vertical size, and if you want to be, it's going to be for us the same, the horizontal size, the height. But if you want to create, for example, 4, then you need to 1080 multiplied by 4. So I'm gonna go create a new Canva. It's already prepared. Here we go ahead and click create. The next thing that I'm gonna go is to view button and new guide layout. It's already done 3 in columns and number 3 in rows. If you are having 12 images and you have different size, then you need to put 4 here. Alright, we go ahead and click OK. The next thing, I'm gonna go to our folder that I already prepared to design this feed. I like to place them all. So now we need to place our images. The first image I'm gonna go ahead and place here. To first need transform and adjust the size. You can click Shift in order the pictures to not change its size when you transform it, and go ahead and click OK. The next thing I'm gonna do is the same with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and click T. Okay. And now we need to use this tool over here to make our images fit to the squares. All right, so this image I fit in 2 squares. This one will increase a little bit. I like it how it is, looks quite cool together. And the next thing, I'm gonna write some text, for example, love. Let's write with small letters, love. And then from the new line, yourself first. And then we click full stop. Okay. I'll transform the size of this text a bit to make it a little bit bigger and put it over here. To me it looks pretty good. I really like how it looks. So the next thing, I need to use the slice tool, and we need to slice each square this way. 1, 2. Alright, the next thing, we need to go File and Export for web. That's really important. And then we just choose here JPEG and click Save. Title. Save, alright. Okay. Now it's saved in the, normally for me it saves into the images file. Alright guys, that was it, and I still have a question for you. Please mention it in the comments below what kind of struggles or pain points you as a business owner have on social media, on different social media platforms, especially on Instagram. Write them below, because I would like to create more content that is covering some of your pain points and is related to social media, because I create content based on your requests and pain points.